Hi, welcome back everyone. Tonight we're going to do a lamb curry. A few more ingredients this time, but once you have them, you'll never move away from them. I've got them all in a traditional curry pot with all my spices in here. But once you've got them, you'll always have them. There'll always be a store cupboard ingredient. So let's get on and do a lamb curry. I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. So, lamb curry, key ingredients. Like normal, we'll put up the ingredient list at the end of the video, but tin of tomato, 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, some ginger puree, some garlic, coriander, cinnamon stick, some cumin, some garam masala, some turmeric and some fennel seeds, chilli of course, a pinch of salt and pepper, cubed lamb shoulders, 2 onions cubed, and just some coriander for the garnish. A little bit different from normal in that this takes a little while to cook, but nevertheless fantastic dish, sure to amaze and please your friends. Let's give it a go. Okay, let's get started. Pan on. Tablespoon or so of olive oil. I'm going to put in the quartered onion, a significant amount of garlic and ginger puree. If you can't get ginger puree, don't worry about it. Fresh ginger, absolutely fine. We're going to leave that, let it get together there for about 5 minutes till it's all softened down. So keep moving them around the pan, letting them all soften up, and gradually they'll break apart from each other. Smells good as always, but then onion and garlic with a bit of ginger, with a little ginger, always smells good. So let's just ease them in there. If it gets a bit too dry and you feel it starts to burn, just add a little bit of water and you should be fine. So we've been softening those up for around about 5 minutes. We're going to add the dry ingredients now. So we have cinnamon stick, some ground coriander, some turmeric, some fennel seeds and a little bit of garam masala. We're going to just mix that in and stir that up for a little while. Smells so good. Get yourself a spice tin. Every time you open it, it's like a ray of sunshine. It smells absolutely fantastic. So let's stir that around and let that just soak in a little bit. And now we're going to add the lamb. So tip your lamb in there. We've got lamb shoulder here. Mainly because there's a little bit of fat on there adds to the flavour, so we're going to just mix that up a little bit. It's starting to look good already. And we're just going to move the lamb around the pan that starts to change colour. A little bit of a sear. I think that's pretty much there. What we're going to do now is add our tin chopped tomatoes. If you have fresh, use fresh. And let's 400 grams of chopped tomatoes. And what we need then is just the equivalent amount of water on top. So we're just going to add 400 grams of water. So we're going to add our water. Just let that take up any of the sediment at the bottom of the pan, or flavour. And then what we're going to do is just add the chilli. Mix that all in, and then we're going to season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Chilli is in. We've seasoned it with salt and pepper. Now what we're going to do is turn the heat down and leave it to simmer for about an hour. We'll do a bit of clearing up in the meantime. Okay guys, half an hour in, we're just going to check in and see how it's doing. Looks still, obviously as you expect with the lid on, is quite liquidy. Smells really good. So for the last half an hour, we're just going to leave it simmering with the lid off. That's been simmering away for an hour. What we're going to do now is add the coriander, and what we're going to do is let that cook through. And reduce for another 30 minutes. Starting to look good. You need to start thinking about pulling the rice together now. We're ready to dish, I think. That looks pretty good. Okay, job done. Let's dish up the curry. A little bit of coriander to garnish. And we're good to serve. There you go guys, lamb curry. Fairly straightforward, nothing too difficult. If you like it, give me the thumbs up, consider subscribing, and watch out for our content next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.